Hey guys, today we got a cab high fiberglass. It's a Jason model. I believe it's a Jason Pace series. Fits the 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150 with a 6.5 foot bed. Black in color. This thing's a little bit rougher condition. It's got a lot of scratches and nicks and stuff on it. Kind of see, got some scratches and nicks through there. The top is got some chips in there. It's kind of a lot of that going on. You can kind of just see them there. There's a few more. Got some chips up there. And we got down through here, there. Got a couple chips right there. Got a scratch right there. A few more chips. Scratch right there. Does have half slide sliders in the side. Picture window in the front. Has chips on the front edge as well. And right there, looks like it probably rubbed against the third brake light. Got some wear marks there. Right there. Based on this stuff here, I'm guessing it probably wasn't even on the right truck. They probably bought it for a truck that it wasn't. They probably put it on a truck that it wasn't made for. There's some chips there. Got some chips through there. So there's quite a bit of that just chipped up the top edge there. We got a lot of scratches right there. Down through here, just a couple minor chips. Half side sliders on this side as well. Does have a single T-handle locking rear door. The door has plexiglass in it, as you can probably tell. It's been repaired. You can kind of see how the previous customer had repaired it. It's in there. It latches, appears to seal up. It's got some chips up around through here. Right there. Got a couple on the top there. Down through here. So the door, like I said, the door has plexiglass in it. It does work, it does open, it does close, it does lock. The skirt's intact. I'm assuming the reason they put plexiglass in this is because this window is discontinued. We tried to replace it. We were going to replace it with a new window in it. But this window is discontinued. So this is the option, put plexiglass in them. I would have probably used tinted plexiglass myself, but this person opted for clear. But my inside looks really good. It's all kind of just white fiberglass, bare fiberglass, no carpet or anything like that. Screens are in good shape all the way through there. Don't see any holes in the screens. This side looks good. Don't see any holes in this side either. Sliding windows. Serial number, yeah, there we go. It was built specifically for a 15 F-150 6.5 foot bed, but that fits the 15 to 20 on the F-150s. Has a light switch probably for the dome light. I don't know if it works or not. We don't check any of that 12 volt stuff. Probably works, but you never know. There's the keys. We did put a new lock in it because the other lock didn't work. But yeah, I mean, it does latch. It does do what it's supposed to do, and I think we could, once it's a little tight on this side and it's a little loose on this side, but I think we could get it set on the truck. We could get that centered up, I think. Okay. It's just hard to do that when they're sitting on the rails, and then it's also screwed together with the cross board, so that makes it difficult to make these work like they're supposed to. Hi, Duke. So there it is. Jason Cab High fiberglass. I believe it was the Pace series. I should have looked. I just looked at the serial number. Oh well. Black in color. It's a 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150 with a 6.5 foot bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, see how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, what have you, they're all available for purchase on our site. So you can just click that link, type in what you're looking for in the search bar, and we'll get it shipped out to you right away. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, a certain cap, brand, color, height, size, bed size, what have you, we upload our used inventory to YouTube and our website as soon as inventory comes in. So you'll want to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on inventory as it gets here. As with all our truck caps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.